Guys, me promise I may open the gift when for you see me give for them. Me there with me co-worker. So me gonna open me gift for them. It's like first one. They might want to with that work. So this is from Sue. As well, make me yeah. You gotta make me laugh. You gotta make me laugh. Let me open the gift. Oh wow. So guys, me get some makeup brushes. Me show you. Get me head that itch me here. Then I have to do eyes. So do eyeshadow upon your eyes. I got an eyeshadow palette. I got some Q-Tex. Yep. I also got another letter too. Actually, my Christmas gift. It's why I broke like that. So this is a card, and this is from Laura. And I got some cash. Thank you. Got some money. This is right here. And let me read the card for everybody. See, peace, everyone. So this is say from Laura and Bob. That's great. Happy, hopeful holiday to you. Yay. And now may I open a big gift, yeah? It supposed to give me the son name. It supposed to give me the son name. So many Alex and you sure that Griffith? Where that Griffith? Alex and Griffith. Eh?
It sounds scary.
Nah, this person is from St. Croix. Well, not really from St. Croix, but the family are from St. Them are American, but the family are from St. Croix. So we get pot set, the pots. We don't show you pot set already, and we get this one too. We get tequila. We added that too. So me get for my pull for that. What them people just put. Yeah, let's try it. You can learn more about this gift. What? But then I say gift receipt. Okay. Then I say nothing like to stay. Anything. Oh, he said them as a gift. But they couldn't wrap it. Can we feel like a bit special? Thank you. Hope you enjoy this. Love you. Merry Christmas. I will love me as well. And that's not good. Me thank God me get a little bit of nice.
Girl,
Man a bad man and me come from the Caribbean and man a bad man. I want to do that girl here. She tell me a hooks coconut from So this is the thing to set it up. Wait, this color look different though. The color look different. It don't look like it. It's a pink. It's a color different. The person must be back down now.
But the picture where you put up on
A purple. No, a purple. Like it look lavender.
Yeah.
So I just opened that gift and I think I got it in the wrong color, but this is it. Yeah, I was supposed to get it in a purple. I got it in a pink. It is a nice gift, but I think I might have to change over the color because I do not like pink. I hate pink for everything that is with it. Yeah, so I'm gonna unbox my next gift for you guys to see. And this is my what this is. Let's check and see what it is. Oh. Well, okay. So this is what I got again. So this is my knife set. Let me see who I got this from. It's a gift. You know it's a gift when you hand it. This is just a piece of paper to show you guys. Yeah, and this is the thing to put your knives in. It's so beautiful. It's so cute. It is so cute. Aww. This is beautiful. This is definitely beautiful. I like it. So, yeah. And that's it. I got one more gift. One more gift. I'm going to show you guys in a few. So, as you guys know, I am moving. So, with the moving session, I will have to post this also. So, this is how it's looking. Shut up. So that's my best friend as usual trying to tell me that I'm trying to talk in twang. I don't know where he got that shit from. So let me try and open this package and keep you guys posted. Kelso, is there anything would you like to say to the universe? Yeah, so this is the other part. So I got some, like this as a cover. Yeah, this is for like smoothies, like for me to make my little smoothies and all these good stuff. So my best friend wants to give you guys another tell you guys something. Kelso, tell them while I unbox. You know, say that. I mean, that's something there with subscribe and
like and subscribe and share up the thing.
ah. Yes, because your girl get paid every time you watch the ad, so you're doing me a favor, you know. And this is how many different style they have in this blender. And I have the best style. You see the one they put first is the best. I hope this is a purple that would match everything that else I have. Yes, you guys will match an exact purple. Oh my god. Tell you. I exact because me not say big will come out dark. I purple itself for me once. Because even if it come out so big I spray over now. They're lucky. It's like, but look at this, right? You see on the box it's dark, and look at this. It's like it's fuchsia. So they be playing with me whole time, you know. But these are gifts and I'm so thankful. Can't even complain. See? So this is a different color from there. This is more like a fuchsia. I don't know. I like it though. Let me go and compare it and see if everything, you know. And I got some spoon, some ember spoon, some probably thing to drink. So this would be perfect for me when I'm back in St. Vincent and me just want make some smoothie. So yeah. Not gonna lie, some days I do not feel like myself. I literally do not feel like myself, especially right now. I feel like a whole total mess, and you know, it's a process for me to get everything together, get my shit together, and it is taking a toll out of me. But I've been through this phase before, and I'm currently trying my best not to really allow it to bother me, but oh well, it does, you know. So yeah, as you guys know, me done pre-film. All these videos will be pre-filmed because it's gonna be very hectic for me next week to record anything at all. I'm gonna hold on. So this video would be pre-filmed because, as you guys know, I have a lot of stuff to work on next week. So I don't know with everything that is going on. So I haven't been eating very well as of recently. This is what have been happening to me recently. Like I would see something, need it, and then when it's time to eat it, I can't finish it. So I want to just keep you guys up to date with my my face. Don't mind my face, right? My face is very smooth. The pimples are gone, but just mean I still have the little spots. Some of them is easy. So this part is just a quick run through of me just doing my daily routine for the day. The video should have been longer, but I make it short and speed it up a little bit because I think I should make this whole video and the explanation differently. That's for the skincare routine, so that I could talk about the products and how it works for me and all these things. So now I'm just eating while I'm actually here working on my projects, and I'm also watching some of my YouTube videos. Yeah, my whole mess myself. So then I went and started washing off my face because this was already on my face too long and I needed to get this done. This is also my scrub. I love it so much. See, oh my god, anyway, this is also my acne control gel and my hyaluronic acid and niacinamide from The Ordinary. If you notice I'm talking, I just add these clips to this video. I would make another video with all these products in depth for you guys, and I'll also list the products that I use. I do not have any pimples on my face, but I have the spots and it's slowly fading, so I think you guys should trust that. This is supposed to be purple. It's supposed to make a mistake and order in pink, so I don't know. It's either two options. It's either for me spray it over or I don't know as yet. So let me buy a spray and me buy like something to wrap it, so I see which one I work, and then me do one of it. So these are the two paint that I got, but I think the purple color is not the purple that I would have desired. So I'm gonna hold off on this for a while because I don't know. And then I got the paper, and the paper is looking much more like what I want. So hopefully paper situation work. It's a whole mess. This person actually bought this for my Christmas, and I'm very thankful. But I didn't like what the person did. The person saw one that was cheaper, and they click on that one and click on the purple. And this is not purple. This is basically something like a fuchsia. It's like pink. It's like my hair at the moment. No, my hair is too washed out. So let me see how this go. So I think these are like the stickers. You put them over your I don't even have a scissors or anything. Let me go just show you. The paper to come out, you know. Hopefully it is enough to cover other items. See, so you got a long piece of paper. I think it is enough, man. I think it will be enough. So let's go stick this on, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks now and how it's gonna look later on. And then I'm gonna do it over, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks. I am struggling. Whatever invention I was trying to do, it fails, so I'm not gonna even show you. I'm gonna get somebody who knows how to do these type of jobs to do it for me, and for now I'm gonna go clock in to my job. And so guys, these are some of the purple appliances so I got for my Christmas. So this is my little smoothie blender, this is my knife set, this is my mixer. This knife set come with this scissors and this thing to peel whatever. And yes, I love purple. And my pot set is purple, but it's lavender. This came out the wrong purple, and I had to adjust it, but everything else looks perfect to me. So as you guys can see, I'm doing my little jobs on the side. You see, I'm just showing you a little run through. Some of the jobs are like $60, some is like $10. I just clock in. It's not like a work where I have a specific hour. I just clock in whenever I'm ready, do a couple of these gigs and just get out. If I make how much I want to make, I just get out as soon as possible. I will also link this job in the bio. So it's almost night, and as we go into this new year, I hope everything that you want you achieve. I hope that you put yourself first. I hope that everybody would like learn from past mistakes. And I know every year we all have our resolution, but we do not really follow them, whether it's to lose weight, whether it's to just focus on yourself, and then by the time the middle of the year we're back to our normal routine. And I know that could be overwhelmed at times, but for this year, all I want everybody to do is put yourself first. And I hope you guys enjoy my vlog, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel also. Guys, by the time I upload this video, well, I already pre-record this video, but I'm gonna edit it and upload it for New Year's. I think because I'm not going to like film anything after that time, because I have a lot of things to be doing, like moving, etc. But as I told you guys, Happy New Year's to everyone. and I wish you guys nothing but the best. I wish you guys all flowers, all rainbows, all, yeah. And my hair, if you can notice my hair, the color is coming out. I gotta figure out that on my own. I might have to bleach it again, and if you notice my hair is growing a lot. I also have a video of how I did my hair. I'm thinking about editing it. I'm thinking about it. Most likely I would edit it also, but I just want to upload this video by New Year's. Hopefully I would probably all years on New Year's or right away. I would get my opportunity to probably upload it. So thank you guys for all the support. I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. I wish you guys nothing but the best, and I'm glad I got to show you guys my gifts that I also received, and all the best, guys.